Hi, you are watching Pinoy Scoop, your daily entertainment news channel in the Philippines.
Falling in love is already a sacrifice of its own kasi the mere fact that you decided to fall in love with someone, yun palang yung kakalimutan mo yung sarili mo, it's already a sacrifice. Hindi ko siya ganun sinabi. Ano ba yan? Nakalimutan ko na. I was in the moment kanina.
Nasa ganyang stage ka ba ngayon?
Ha?
Nasa ganang stage ka ngayon?
Nakakalimutan ko yung sarili
Yes,
ko. Wala pa yun sa kakalimutan ko yung sarili ko. So, hindi right now, I'm just enjoying. I'm just happy na, ayun, na may mga tao at taong na gustong nagpapasaya sa akin and yun pa ng blessing. Ayoko pa siyang i-proseso.
So, kaya sabi mo kanina, you're dating.
We're dating. So, ang hirap na unahan yung mga bagay-bagay na ayoko pang siguro mag-process. Right now, kasi especially this year, ang dami ko talagang gustong ma-achieve.
So, you decided?
Gusto kong maging proactive this year. So, ang dami kong put off in the past years na gusto ko ma-achieve finally this year. So, ayun. Siguro share ko yun sa Instagram ko yung mga bagay-bagay na yun.
So, you decided to fall in love again. Pag ang love ay sacrifice. Diba? So, you decided to sacrifice and fall in love again. Parang ganun.
Hindi ko pa decide. I decided to be proactive this year. Yung sinasabi ko. Ayun, this year, marami akong gustong gawin. Kaya, parang mas yun muna yung focus. But, syempre, yung mga tao nagpapasaya sa'yo, hindi mo naman, parang gusto mong i-savor yung bawat moment na yun.
Well, last night, in Tonight with Boy about Abuda, I'm sure nakarating sa'yo na may photos of Gerald and Kim na lumabas na in a party daw na medyo close.
Talaga? Ay, hindi ko napanood. Nagtataping ako.
Gusto mong makita yung photos?
Hindi naman.
Okay yun. Kasi anyway, there's a party and they were parang
ayun yata yung...
Ayun. What's your reaction to that? Kasi medyo tahimik kayo din siya ngayon and yet photos are coming out.
Anong gusto niyo?
Ano na gusto mong reaction? Ano, may i-react ka ba doon sa mga photos na medyo close na sila ulit din sa...
Hindi, di ba parang maganda nga yung nagkakasundo sila dun sa show nila because parang you don't expect these two people not to get along and do a project together. Of course, you expect them to be friendly and get along again. Kung may moment ba na, actually wala akong alam kung may moment ba na hindi sila naging okay, hindi ko alam eh. But, pero maganda naman na nagkakasundo sila.
And you're not one to doubt Gerald about anything na pwedeng gawin?
No naman. Tsaka parang wala pa kami dun sa stage na parang, hindi ka pwedeng, ayun parang hindi naman.
So you're taking things slowly para mas stable ba? Or para tulas?
Tsaka hindi naman ako ganong klaseng tao na nag-speculate agad ng mga bagay-bagay na para sa akin, kasi kung ano yung ipinapakita ng tao, yun yung importante. Parang, and I know he's a very trustworthy person.
So you trust him enough na hindi ka niya sasakit?
Hindi, tsaka wala pa kami sa stage na parang, bawal mong gawin to, bawal. Tsaka hindi ako ganong klaseng tao, hindi ako nag-jump into conclusion.
Is he a boyfriend material?
Oo naman.
Bakit mo nasabi?
Kasi he's a very responsible man and alam mo na loving siya, alam mo na marami siyang ginagawa sa buhay niya to become a better man.
Thank you for watching today's entertainment news here at Pinoy Scoop. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button below. Have a great day. Goodbye.